Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. Today we shall be looking at A-level pure mathematics and we shall start with the logarithms. Under logarithms, we shall start with simplifying logarithms or logarithmic expressions. However, when simplifying logarithmic expressions, there are rules that we follow, and we call these rules or laws of logarithms. And therefore, it is very vital for us, before we look at how we simplify logarithmic expressions, we first go through these rules that we shall be applying when simplifying or carrying out operations on logarithmic rules. There are 7 vital rules that we shall be looking at. Let us go through them. Rule number 1 says that if I'm adding logarithms of the same bases, then I'll simply multiply the powers. That is to say, I'll end up with log A, BC. Then when I'm subtracting logarithms of similar bases, then I will simply divide the first power by the second power to give me log A B over C. The third law says, if I have a power on my power B, then that power can come down to become the coefficient of the logarithm. That is our rule number 3. In number 4, we are told that the log of 1, irrespective of the base, is 0, since 8 power 0 equals to 1. And number 5 says that if the base is the same as the power, then that logarithm equals to 1, since a power 1 equals to a. Number 6 says, if we have log a power b and we want to interchange such that a becomes the power and becomes the base, then we shall take the reciprocal of that logarithm, and then the power becomes the base and the base becomes the power. Law number 7 and our last law says that if log a power b equals to c, then a power c must be equal to b. However, sometimes the base is not given. So when the base is not given, then the base is automatically base 10. For instance, where we have log of a, here we are not given the base. So that means that automatically the base is base C 10. So this one means that it is log 10a. That is how we are going to be simplifying and working upon our logarithmic expressions. Otherwise, since that we have gone through the vital rules of logarithms, I want us to look at how we shall simplify or evaluate logarithmic functions. So that has been the introduction to logarithms of A-level mathematics. In our next lesson, we shall be looking at how we simplify, solve, prove logarithmic expressions. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channels, follow our Facebook pages. We are on TikTok, we are on Twitter, we are on Instagram. So please, search for Wuna Educational Services. Join us so that we learn together. Otherwise, I hope to have you in our next lesson, where we shall be looking at how we simplify logarithmic expressions. Please, if you have told you have not yet subscribed, do so. Hit the bell so that we move together. Otherwise, I hope to see you next time.